Did you know that using the general theory of relativity, if you were to travel from Earth to, let's say, Venus or Uranus, it would take about 7 years or so if it was a one-way trip, but in total, to the person who is doing the traveling, it would take about 14 years. But in relation to, let's say, someone who's still on Earth, it would take approximately 33 years before they were to see you. What this means is that, what I'm trying to explain is that when you are traveling, the rule of relativity is someone who is traveling in relation to someone who is standing still, time moves slower to that person who's doing that traveling. So let's say you have a person who's on Earth. Also, something to keep in mind is that gravity, for some reason, is a great plays a great role in this, because the more mass there is the more effect on time that it has. So, for example, for someone who's flying at a specific speed past, let's say, a planet like Earth, time would seem to slow down for them in relation to someone who was moving at the same speed but who's further away from the Earth. So if you were to travel to the edge of the universe, or no, not the universe, the solar system, it would take, like, if you were moving at the speed of, let's say, the fraction of speed light, it would take you approximately 14 years to go there and come back. But while you're 14 years older than the time you left, everyone you left behind would have aged about 33 years. This makes me really sad, because it kind of just somehow in some way makes you realize how kind of irrelevant we are to the universe, because the universe is vast, is very, very huge, and compared to the universe, we're pretty much a speck in this void. But the thing is that many people assume that in this great universe that we may be the only intelligent creatures or humans or beings in this universe. But to me, looking at the way things are, I don't understand how anybody could even think that. There are so many chances, so many probabilities that we could look at that would suggest otherwise. In this great universe that stretches billions and billions of light years, and in this universe that holds billions and trillions of stars, systems, and galaxies, what makes you think that we could be all alone out here? If there was a possible chance that Earth could hold life, could sustain life, do you not think that maybe there's a chance that there is thousands of other galaxies that hold other intelligent life forms? Many people argue the fact that if they were intelligent enough, they would have found us. But what if they can't? Maybe because they're too far away. Maybe they're just too far ahead in their own time that they have no reason to contact us. What would contact us establish? I don't know. It's very interesting, man. You guys let me know what you think, and I'll keep up these kind of videos. It's very interesting. It keeps me thinking. I love you guys. You take care. Another thing that makes me sad is the fact that knowing that one day we will all die, And yes, many people would dare say that because it's inevitable, there's no reason to be sad. It's just life. And while I do understand, it's like the universe, there's so much going on that we could look at and just strive for more, knowing the fact that there's so much we could dream for and look forward to, yet for some reason that dream is too far away to reach. I mean, imagine at the blink of an eye, the entire universe could end just like this. That you're looking at is a black hole because of the star that just exploded. The universe could end just like that, yet life still goes on. Even the smallest particle, dust, cosmic dust, if it were to hit us very, very fast, it could end everything we all know. I love the universe because it keeps me thinking, and hopefully you're the same. Hopefully you strive to have more knowledge and think beyond the earth. Think outside the box. Or in this case, think outside the circle. Life is great.